Is it time to buy or sell TQQQ ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into TQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 26th of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 23rd of August, 2024, our system has rated TQQQ as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.1. Let's explore the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of negative 2.93% since our initial recommendation to hold or accumulate. This results in an average loss of negative 1.47% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The exchange-traded fund is situated within a broad and downward trend in the short term, indicating further declines ahead. The current 3-month trend points to a potential decrease of approximately 7% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of nearly 30% to an increase of 11%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a significant change of about 75% over the next year, with potential returns between 41% and 130%. This translates to a price range from approximately $97 to $158 after a year. Our latest daily update for TQQQ includes the headline, TQQ ETF downgraded to hold, accumulate. The TQQQ ETF price experienced a decrease of 2.93% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 26th of August, 2024, dropping from $70.53 to $68.46. During this trading session, the ETF fluctuated 4.65%, with a low of $67.53 and a high of $70.67. Notably, the price has increased in 7 out of the last 10 days and has risen by 15.54% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is a positive indicator, as volume typically follows the ETF's movement. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 22 million shares, resulting in a total of 41 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $2.84 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $85.20, while the lowest price was $30.47. Currently, the price stands at 19.65%, or $16.74, below the 52-week high, and 64.13%, or $122.42, below the all-time high recorded on the 8th of January, 2021, when it peaked at $190.88. The recent analysis surrounding ProShares Ultra Pro QQQ, or TQQQ, highlights a precarious moment for this leveraged exchange-traded fund. As of late August 2024, concerns are mounting that further selling pressure in the technology sector could drive TQQQ's prices down towards the lows seen in 2022. The substantial bearish shift in trading momentum throughout the summer underscores a worrying absence of buyers in major technology stocks, raising alarms among investors about possible significant losses in the coming months. Moreover, geopolitical tensions and the divergence in central bank interest rate policies have added another layer of uncertainty to the market, which may influence TQQ's performance. As volatility increases, securities lending activities have surged, indicating that traders might be hedging their positions or betting against the technology-heavy index. In the short term, these factors suggest heightened volatility for TQQQ, which is typical for leveraged exchange-traded funds, and infers that if trends continue downward, significant losses could be on the horizon. Long-term prospects remain uncertain. While there is historical potential for leveraged exchange-traded funds to outperform during bullish trends, persistent market headwinds and increased investor risk aversion could maintain downward pressure on TQQ's prices, challenging its viability as a long-term investment strategy. Investors should proceed with caution given the prevailing market dynamics. The following signals have been identified for TQQQ. The TQQ Exchange-Traded Fund holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. Simultaneously, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the ETF, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. If there are further gains, the ETF will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $70. Conversely, if it declines, the ETF will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $68.33. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will generate a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal has been indicated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the near-term development. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, August 21st, 2024, and so far, it has decreased nearly 5%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot has been established. The trading volume fell alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. The moving average convergence divergence indicator suggests a buy signal. Pivots indicated a sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger Bands showed a buy signal 37 days ago. The short-term moving average registered a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 3 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average also suggested a buy signal 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 10 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $63.36 and $58.74. There is an inherent risk when an ETF is testing a support level, as breaking this level could lead to a decline to the next support level. In this scenario, TQQ finds support just below today's level at $63.36. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $58.74 and $53.62. This ETF can experience significant movement throughout the day, characterized by high volatility. With a substantial prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, this ETF is classified as high risk. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated $3.14 between its highest and lowest points, equating to a 4.65% change. During the past week, the ETF exhibited an average daily volatility of 4.61%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for TQQQ. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for TQQQ is at $73.04. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, TQQ encounters its first support level at $63.36. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $65.59, which represents a decrease of 4.2%. This exchange-traded fund experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a high level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 13 days ago. Is TQQQ ETF a good buy? TQQQ displays several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Given its current position, it is better considered as a hold or accumulate candidate while we await further developments. Due to minor weaknesses observed in the technical analysis, we have revised our recommendation for this ETF from a buy to a hold or accumulate status since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and trading movements from the previous day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 27th of August, we anticipate that TQQQ will open approximately 427/10,000ths of a dollar higher and begin trading at $68.89. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before purchasing or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.